Can I get paid to search on Google or watch videos online? We all watch videos and search on Google every single day. I will show you today how you can make money doing so using 3 different platforms. So make sure to keep watching and stay with me so you won't miss out on any of them and learn how to apply this strategy to start making money online. Before I show you more, if you like this type of videos and you'd like to see more, then make sure to support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up. Click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video on how to make money online. Well, with all of that being said, let's now jump straight into the strategy so I can show you everything. The very first website that we will talk about today is Cashkick.com. What I like about this is the fact that it pays in cash, unlike many other platforms that offer you a gift card instead. Cash is definitely a great reward, and the website deposits cash into your PayPal account for all the fun things you're already doing online. What kind of fun activities are we talking about? Well, this website pays you to watch videos and search on Google. This is what we do every day, right? Imagine if you are paid in cash for watching a couple of videos or do some research online. It's now possible with Cashkick. You can also consider answering surveys on this platform. It's a boring activity, right? But to be honest with you, if you like to spice up a bit the amount of money you are making from the website, you can give it a try. Otherwise, you can stick to watching videos and online research. They pay well enough. The process is pretty straightforward, and it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Just find a mission to complete. That could be a video to watch or some web research to carry out, and start immediately receiving PayPal balance. What I really like about this website is the fact that the payment threshold is very low. You don't have to spend weeks working just to become eligible to withdraw your earnings. You can start collecting your money as soon as you make $5, which could be achieved in a short time if you put enough effort into it. I always say in all the videos I make about making money online that we need to check the legitimacy of any website we are working on. If you scroll a bit down, you will see all the positive testimonial that people who are working on this website have left. They are making some solid revenue from this platform. The best part is that you will cash out through PayPal. I am sure that you guys love that. So, what are you waiting for? Awesome! Well, before we jump to the second video, I am Michelle, and I'd like to welcome you to Miss Finance channel, the place where we teach you how to make money online in the simplest way. We share new strategies all the time. So, if you are looking for ways to make money online and create a new income stream, this is the best place for you to be. So give the video a thumbs up and subscribe now. The second one here is called instagc.com. Well, does this have anything to do with Instagram? Probably not. Well, Insta stands for instantly and GC is for gift cards. Yeah, you have guessed it right. This website, unlike the previous one, will instantly pay you through gift cards. The idea is crystal clear. Join their fast-growing community and receive free gift cards instantly for your online activities. But what kind of activities are we talking about? The answer is right there. You can get a gift card for completing surveys, searching the web or do some online shopping, and most importantly, watching videos, which is my favorite thing to do these days. The best part about instagc.com is the fact that you don't need to reach a certain threshold to receive your reward. The gift cards are digitally delivered and you can also send them to your friend. How cool is that? We can see here that the website offers a large selection of more than 320 different gift cards. You can hit on View Collection to learn more. You can see that more than 1,300,000 gift cards have been redeemed in the past. Wow, that's a huge number. You can select them per country or category. There are plenty of offers in different niches, and the number is increasing every day. This website is perfect for those who want to get a gift card, either to use it personally, offer it to a friend, or even sell it online. So what are you waiting for? Let's look at the third website to work online for today. This is going to be a super exciting one. Make sure to watch it till the end. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It means the world to me. Well, the last but also the highest paying platform of all of them is called AskWonder.com. This site will literally pay you up to 20 times more than the other ones. How cool is that? AskWonder.com is a little bit more complex though. To be honest with you, it's a bit harder to earn money on this one. But I highly recommend it if you are looking for more money online. AskWonder.com will pay you to conduct studies for them. They operate as a middleman between large companies and freelancers like you. You can see that they are working with some big consulting and insurance companies, and they have more than 6,000 analysts available at the push of a button. Well, you can be one of them. I personally prefer this site over the other two. I think it's a really nice, fun, and engaging way to get paid online. You will essentially be learning about various topics and subjects through research, and you get paid for doing so. You don't need any previous knowledge or experience. You will just get paid to search on Google. Yes, it's that simple. Many people are doing it already. You can also find some cool testimonials provided by the corporate clients of AskWonder.com, which proves that it's a legit and genuine platform. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. To sign up, you need to click on Become a Researcher, which is located in the upper right corner. On the next page, you will see that you earn money using your brain. You can work wherever you want, which is cool, of course, and as I said earlier, you learn as you gain experience. So just complete the sign-up form and you are good to go. You can start making money today. Just give it a try. And that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video and learned a new strategy to earn money, don't forget to leave us a comment and like. That means the world to us. If you want to learn more ways to earn money online, then subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.